Is your car acting up, burning more gas than usual, or flashing that dreaded check engine light? You might be dealing with a bad oxygen sensor. In today's video from the Engine Fixer, we are going to break down 10 clear symptoms of a failing O2 sensor so you can spot the issue early and avoid expensive repairs down the road. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Engine Fixer, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car repair tips and tricks. Now, let's jump right in. Symptoms number 1. Check engine light on. The most obvious sign is the check engine light. If it comes on, one of the first suspects is often the oxygen sensor. A quick scan with an OBD2 scanner might reveal codes like P0130 through P0167 or even P0420, which usually point to O2 sensor trouble. Symptoms number 2. Poor fuel economy. If you notice you're filling up at the gas station more often, your oxygen sensor might be failing. A bad sensor can cause the engine to run rich, burning more fuel than necessary. Symptoms number 3. Rough idle. Does your car feel shaky at stoplights or show jumping RPMs when idling? That rough idle could mean the O2 sensor is feeding the ECU the wrong data, throwing off the air-fuel ratio. Symptoms number 4. Engine misfires or hesitation. If your car stutters, hesitates, or jerks when you accelerate, that hesitation may come from incorrect fuel mixture caused by a failing O2 sensor. Symptoms number 5. Failed emissions test. Failing a smog test is a big red flag. A bad oxygen sensor leads to poor combustion and higher emissions, often causing test failures. Symptoms number 6. Black smoke from exhaust. Notice dark black smoke coming from your tailpipe? That means your engine is running rich too much fuel, not enough oxygen, often due to a bad O2 sensor. Symptoms number 7. Sulfur or rotten egg smell. A strong sulfur or rotten egg smell coming from your exhaust is a sign of unburned fuel damaging your catalytic converter, again caused by a faulty sensor. Symptoms number 8. Sluggish engine performance. If your car feels weak, sluggish, or slow to accelerate, a malfunctioning O2 sensor could be throwing off timing and fuel delivery, robbing your engine of power. Symptoms number 9. Increased engine noise. Is your engine louder than normal, or maybe it's even backfiring? A bad O2 sensor can cause inconsistent combustion, leading to unusual noises and vibrations. Symptoms number 10. Unusual exhaust emissions. Excess smoke or strange fumes, especially during acceleration, are signs of inefficient combustion. In many cases, this comes down to inaccurate oxygen readings from a failing sensor, and that wraps up our list. If this video from the Engine Fixer helped you diagnose your car problems, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.